girl Calia Grinston back at another YouTube video. This time it's going to be a wig install, which I'm very excited about. If you are not new, welcome back, and if you are new, you've never seen my face before, then you might as well hit that subscribe button and like the video right now. On this channel I post mainly beauty related videos, occasionally lifestyle content, and also girl talks, which you guys love a lot. As you guys can all see by today's title, I'm going to be installing this wig. As you can see, the lace is already gone, so I've already worn the wig, but I'm just going to be reinstalling it because baby, I needed my hair done. I just needed to do something for the moment, for the time period, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I've already installed this before. I'm just going to reinstall it, and I got this wig from AliExpress. I believe the company is Royce official. If I had to rate the hair, when I first got it, it was super soft, but I did notice that it is not human hair like it says. A lot of companies will be like, oh, this is human hair. Baby, it's not human hair. I can see the red synthetic fibers, so it's not human hair because no human has synthetic fibers growing out of their scalp. So it was pretty soft, and it lasted for like maybe a few days to a week before it started tangling. I'm not really a huge fan of this hair, honestly. It's cool. It was just, it got the job done, you know what I'm saying? So my hair, would be done, but it's just not what I was looking for ideally. I'd give it maybe a 5 out of a 10, but I did like the length, and I did like, how soft it was when I first got it, even though it isn't truly human hair like they will tell you. But yes, I'm pretty sure this is from Royce official from AliExpress, and yeah, it's not going to be a tutorial. It's just going to be like a watch me struggle kind of thing, a trust the process kind of thing. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Make sure to like this video, please subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on those post notifications because you do not want to miss a video. I upload every Friday and Sunday. And yeah, also make sure to follow me on all of my social medias. I am at caliagrinston on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and I am more active on my Insta. I'm trying to get into the swing of things on TikTok, but yeah, I am definitely more active on my other social medias compared to YouTube. So if you are looking forward to seeing more of me that is not in a YouTube setting, definitely my Instagram for sure. Again, I am at calia.grinston on all of my socials. And yeah, I'm just going to be quiet and let you guys watch the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to leave feedback, and yeah, talk to you in a minute.